This is a 2002 Subaru Forrester S all-wheel drive with 59,000 original miles. Yep, 59,000 original miles, and this vehicle has amazing service history records, including the timing belt and water pump. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, it will not need a thing mechanically or cosmetically. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale in our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yep, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere in the market. For pricing, pictures, including undercarriage pictures showing you that this is a completely rust-free vehicle, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. We will not finance this vehicle. Again, we will not finance this vehicle. It is too old for bank financing. This thing is as clean as it gets. You're going to be lucky to find a door ding or a rock chip on this car. It is extremely, extremely clean. It still has the original cargo cover. This is in unbelievable condition. So if you're a fan of this model Subaru Forester, this is a unicorn. Just an absolutely remarkable, remarkable condition. Tires are in great shape. Incredibly clean car. If you get a chance, go to our website, pull up the Carfax report. It has wonderful service history records. It has a moonroof, a big roof. The gray cloth interior is in great condition for its age. No cracked dash. 59,000 miles, automatic transmission, ice cold AC. Again, mechanically, this thing is as sound as it gets. Every vehicle has to go through our shop, and we're buying a certified pre-owned vehicle. Heated seats, huge moonroof. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. We left the cup holders down so you can see that they are actually operational, believe it or not. This is a 9 out of 10. Extremely clean. So again, this is a 2002 Subaru Forester S all-wheel drive. 59,000 miles in wonderful, wonderful condition, fully serviced, great service history records, and again, we will not finance this vehicle, rust-free.